How to download FIFA Mobile on Android. So if you want to download FIFA Mobile on Android, then what you need to do is open up your Chrome browser, or you can simply go for any browser, or you can go for the Google. So once you're here on the Google or your browser, you need to simply go for the search, and then you can search for FIFA Mobile, or you can search for the official FIFA application. Once you've searched, you will have these applications. So what you need to do is simply tap on install, and you need to install the application. So if you want to download and install the application, tap on install. Once you tap on install, it will start the install process, and it might take some time depending on your internet connection to download the application. Once it's downloaded, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side, and once you tap on open, it will open the application, and you can log into your account and use your FIFA application. So that's it. It was that easy to download and install the FIFA mobile application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.